In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find passwords in Brave browser. This process is straightforward and will help you access your saved passwords quickly and securely. Let's go through each step together. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. Make sure it's up to date to avoid any issues. Updates often come with enhanced security features, which is crucial for managing your passwords safely. Once the browser is open, you're ready to move on. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Click on this menu icon to open a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Settings. This is where you'll find many of the browser's configurations, including those related to passwords. Accessing the settings is crucial because it gives you control over how your information is stored and protected. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. This section is dedicated to managing the data that Brave uses to fill out forms and log you into websites automatically. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This step is important because it leads you directly to where your passwords are stored within the browser. Knowing where your passwords are can save you significant time when you need to access them. With the Autofill and Passwords section open, you'll see an option for Password Manager. Click on Password Manager. This tool is designed to securely store and organize your passwords, making it easier for you to manage them. The Password Manager is a powerful feature that not only keeps your information organized, but also enhances your online security by allowing you to generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. At this point, you should see a list of all the websites and applications for which passwords are saved. You can view, edit, or delete these entries as needed. To view a password, click on the eye icon next to the password entry. You might be prompted to enter your device's credentials for security purposes. This extra step ensures that only you can access your sensitive information, adding an additional layer of protection. Remember, keeping your passwords secure is essential to protecting your online identity and personal data. As a tip, consider using the Generate Password feature if you need to create a new password. This feature can help you create strong passwords that are difficult for others to guess. Strong passwords are a critical component of maintaining your online security. They should be long, include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and be unique for each account. With these steps, you can easily find and manage your saved passwords in Brave browser. Remember to periodically check your saved passwords and update them if necessary. Regular updates help ensure that your accounts remain secure, especially in the face of evolving online threats. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay safe and secure online, and I'll see you in the next video.